doing a one pot method. So, and I need more container. I started freeing up my containers. So in here, I already have my black soap, which is the 60%, which is the main ingredient. And then I've also added my this one, palm kernel oil. And basically palm kernel oil also has aids foaming properties. So, and it helps the skin barriers. It doesn't make the soap to become very hardened, and at the same time I'm just using 2 grams, which is like 2% of the formulation.
How many percent?
2% of the formulation, because I have other oils. Because I don't want to overpower the black soap with oil so that it continues to foam. I don't want to add any foam booster. Because I'm making something very natural and close to Africa. So I'm avoiding any chemical
synthetic.
Any synthetic ingredients, in this formulation. So because I don't also want to use a lot of preservatives in it, I'm going to be using the minimum quantity of preservative. I'm not using water. So it's basically
a waterless
formula. And the reason I'm even using the preservative at all, which is Optofin Plus, it's because it's a paste. Hand will continually be dipped in it, and I want it to be stable over time.
I get you.
So in here I already have my black soap and palm kernel oil, like I said. Then I'm also adding shea butter. Shea butter, protects the skin barriers, is an emollient. Well, some studies says it has a bit of SPF.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm just learning that now. So tell me more.
So, and it's also, it moisturizes, it nourishes the skin. So I have shea butter at 8%. Then, because it's a glowing black soap, typically people run away from black soap because sometimes they say it makes me dark. But we are doing safe formulation. We don't whiten the skin, but we can make the skin plump, glow, healthy. So I have a lot of botanicals that I'm going to be adding. Here I have camwood powder. Now camwood is made of camwood roots. So it brightens the skin. It also protects the skin against free radicals. It's an antioxidant. It's antimicrobial. It has antimicrobial properties as well, so it clears the skin. What some studies says it helps with acne. So that's camwood powder. I also have neem powder, our famous neem powder in Africa. Neem powder is an antifungal, antibacterial. It's also an antioxidant. They are in their natural state actually. And then I have turmeric. Turmeric brightens the skin because it's a glowing formulation. Turmeric brightens the skin. It's antioxidant. It has antimicrobial properties as well. And I have lemon and orange peels. This is citrus peel. It helps to brighten the skin, glow the skin, and citrus can, the ring, have their own oil. So it also adds a bit of oil and vitamin C to the formulation. And here I have licorice powder, white licorice powder, which helps to brighten the skin. It helps to glow the skin. And I have olive oil. Olive oil is an emollient. It helps the soap to spread. It helps the spreadability of the soap because I'm not using water, so the oils are going to help to moisturize, help the spreadability of the soap. Okay, I'm still weighing out my ingredients. I also have honey and glycerin. These are humectants. They help to attract water, moisture to the skin. And lastly, I have my actives. I have vitamin C and vitamin E,
Okay.
which is going to stabilize the product, nourish the skin, and then I'm using lavender essential oil
Okay.
as my fragrance.
Okay.
So lavender essential oil is good for calming. It helps to calm. It has some calming properties.
Okay. Oh, hold on, please.
Yes.
I wanted to add this mixed tocopherol. Another benefit is that it helps increase the shelf life of your black
Yes.
tea.
Yes. Sorry, I forgot to mention
Yes.
that. Yeah.
So it's not just for that purpose
Yes.
alone. So go ahead. Go
Yeah.
ahead.
So that's all the ingredients I
So
will
all
be.
weighed out now.
Just remain the actives and the humectants.
Okay then. You are good to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.